Hey guys, so today we are here at CarColors. I don't know if you guys remember, but the last time that we came here was 2 years ago to paint Phoenix for the season 2019. And we have goals now. You guys saw in the previous video that we are building the fairings and building the bike for the race next stage. So we came here, we're gonna talk to the guys inside, and I'm gonna show you around, show you what we've done in the past, as well as the new setup that we're getting. So yeah, pretty exciting, to be honest. Those guys are really cool. They helped us big time last time, and now we decided to take a step further and get a setup with air compressor, spray guns, and all those tools that will provide a better result overall. So come in, let's check out. We're gonna talk to those guys inside, and they will show us what we need and how we can improve our techniques, how we can get a better job as we got last time, and set up a spray booth and everything. Come in first, let's check it out. Yeah, come in guys. So we've got our friend here, Jared. Hey Jared, how you doing, man? Good. Yeah, ready to be on video?
Yeah.
How you doing, man? Good. Yeah. So Jared was the one that helped me a few years ago to get Phoenix done, and I have a challenge for you, dude.
Yep, ready to accept this one.
Yeah. So I've decided, instead of painting using rattle cans like we've done last time, I want to get a nice small setup for DIY that I can use to paint my new bike, but I can use some tools around like the workshop, like few things.
Yep.
What do I need?
You're going to need a compressor to start with, a hairline, air gun, and probably most important, water trap as well. Yeah.
And what would be the size of it? Because I don't want to have like a big compressor, because I'm going to be painting few things here and there.
Yeah, depending on budget size, it all comes into it, about a nice 40-litre tank, 50-litre tank.
And do you have something here to show us?
Yeah, we've actually just got one down the shop here.
That's really good. That's nice, man.
Yep. So it's a 2.5 horsepower one, 40-litre tank, and it's 128 litre per minute.
So this will get me going, and then I will be able to run the bike.
For small jobs, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do I need to run this? I can see the air compressor here.
Yep.
What else?
Comes with your fittings. It's got your oil, which you need to add, and then you have a 10-metre airline there, and then we'll probably set you up with a water trap to collect water. Probably keep it about 1 metre away at least from the compressor, so keep your airline clean.
So why do I need this this air filter?
Because the compressor produces moisture, so once a hot air comes through and cools down, creates moisture, and the water trap will collect that moisture and then stop it coming through your airline and onto your spray gun.
So it's good for the spray gun, but as well as my air tools.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a must.
Yeah.
Cool.
Definitely recommended. Yeah.
So my might need a spray gun as well. I saw a lot of spray guns online when I was watching some YouTube videos, and they vary like a lot. So what would be good for my particular
just for a little hobby one, for small jobs, we've got this little Machine Works 1mm one.
Cool.
And depending on budget, then we start getting into the $200, $300 mark. Yeah. But this is probably something you'll be looking for.
That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
A cute little one.
Yeah.
Oh man, it feels good. So this guy here is like a noob proof.
Yeah, pretty much. So your little pop fits on top.
Good catch.
Yeah.
Almost. Cool. Yeah. So the one that I saw on YouTube are like the big ones and stuff, but it's overkilling.
Yeah. For doing like small jobs, what you're going to be doing, like your motorbike and that's ideal. Yeah, once you get into a big one, then you're going to find it hard to move around all your little parts.
Cool. And this small gun here has all the settings as the big ones, eh?
Yes, same settings, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's got your fan adjuster, your needle tip there, and your air pressure there.
One thing that I saw as well, they do have a small gauge in here.
Pressure gauge, yeah.
Do we need it, or is just something that is good to have?
Yeah, ideal. We recommend you have one.
Okay.
We don't have any of, but yeah, we'll have a pressure gauge for you.
Cool. That's cool. Apart from that, what else would I need to do the same job as I did with my rattle can?
That's pretty much it, just to begin with, and you're also going to have an idea of what paint you're after,
cool.
colours, and yeah.
That's nice. I was talking to you before, but I have a paint color in my mind, okay, that I want to put on Phoenix, on Ghost, just to vary a little bit. what is the process? I tell you the color and then we make some samples, or you take it to the
if you've got an idea of what color you're after and then you've seen it on a vehicle, you can find the paint code for that and then go from there.
Cool. And then if I want to get some crazy color, we just gonna...
We can play around with the colors, yeah.
Nah, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as you guys can see now, we are inside the paint room. So we have a lot of different paint options and they mix it for the clients. Hey, Jared is actually making one here. Hey Jared, what do you guys do to get a color for a client and then make it ready for him to use?
For automotive, it's just color codes off the chassis of the car, and then motorbikes is the same, and then if they don't have color codes that we match to, we can just rely on Trevor to I match it, which is time consuming.
Okay. Yeah. Nah, cool. And we can see here we just got a few colors made, and what they do is they mix the colors that the client wants. They have a sample here that they show them the result and they put in the can afterwards. So as you guys can see, this is the paint room where all the colors are. So they have all the codes and everything, and they mix together and give to the client. In my case, what we've done for Phoenix in the past was we came here with an idea of a color that we wanted on Phoenix, and I told them what I wanted. They gave me a few samples and then we've decided on which color. But the cool thing about CarColors was I didn't have all the equipment for DIY, for example, an air compressor, a spray gun and nothing. So they did put for me inside a can, so they can do that for you as well. If you guys have a color that you want to spray on a simple project, something small, just come here, ask them for the colors, and they can provide a spray can for you, as well as a 2K color. So a 2K, when I did a shoot on Phoenix, we had to come here, get the 2K already mixed, and then have 8 hours window to then apply the 2K on the bike. But I'm gonna show you guys around, talk to Jared a little bit more about what we're gonna do on Ghost, what is the process that we're gonna go through, the equipment that we're gonna get, and as well as the color that we're gonna make. So what I might be doing today is I might be getting the compressor set up so I can start organizing my garage and running the lines and everything.
Sure.
After I get everything done, I'm gonna come here again and get the colors. So then we can start talking about base coats and pearls and clear coat and primer. But I think this is the next step, isn't it?
Yep, definitely.
Nah, cool. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just have to pay this for this now, and we're gonna go home, set everything up. I'm gonna play a little bit with the colors that we want to put on Ghost. I'll come back here, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a really cool color with those guys, and no rattle can this time. This time we're gonna use we've done a great job. You can see my previous videos on my playlist that I did paint using those cans in a carport, open area. It was questionable, but the result was really good. So I think now that I have a little experience painting, I might be able to do a better job. And one thing that I was reading around as well is, if you know where you're buying the paint from, you know the result that you're gonna get. It varies from place to place. So you guys here, you sell like to big companies. So guys, make sure when you buy a custom paint, make sure that you go to a place that is known and know what they do and have a reputation, instead of just mixing some colors here and there. It does make a difference. So those guys here, I've got recommended by a friend that paints cars in New Zealand, and I couldn't be more happy, to be honest. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Just get everything together, put in the car and go back home.
Cool.
Cheers, guys.